everyone and welcome back to this channel, The Art Lagoon. Everyone and welcome back to this channel, The Art Lagoon. Pranav, my little brother, had come to visit us, so mom made some of his favorite veg food, that is aloo puri. And since he tends to get really hyper, I was doing my best to keep him occupied while eating as well as afterwards. And this time his main focus was on trying to paint his toys and modify them. So I went through with it. So here's my little artist brother doing art along with me. I wasn't able to shoot afterwards because I got a fever, and this is day 2 when I got updates from my university, and so I got down to primer for it by writing down all the syllabuses. And then it started raining really hard outside, and the weather became absolutely pleasant. Then my mother and I went on to make some of the most popular Indian comfort food which many students and people love to have, and that is dal chawal and aloo ki bhujia. My mother added some other vegetables to the bhujia as well, and we cut up some mangoes for dessert. And so here's our dinner for the day. This is day 3. I got more updates about my university plan, and so I went out to get some notes in advance so that I don't feel left out while in class. Went out with an umbrella just for precaution. You never know these days. It's so rainy. It just rains all of a sudden and then it's all clear and sunshine. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press that bell icon to never miss an update. Bye!